বডি বিল্ডার। কিন্তু পেট এসে গেছে। इतनी क्या बोलती तुम्हारा सिग्नेचर? क्या करूँ? पेटीएम करो।
Lights, camera, and action.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Now, as promised, we are at episode 3 of exploring coastal Karnataka. That is right from the beautiful serene beaches of Mangalore to magnificent Murdeshwar. But this time it's Udupi. It's quite a non-famous place, unlike I have heard only of Udupi restaurants.
What?
But I was completely amazed to know that there is an entire city out there and which is one of the oldest in southern India. And also it holds strong roots in Indian history. So my friends, I'm here to explore their beautiful serene beaches, one of the oldest Sri Krishna temple and their very famous Udupi vegetarian cuisines. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Now, as mentioned in my previous vlog, we have kept our base at Mangalore and shall visit Udupi by road. So, our first destination in Udupi is Sri Krishna Temple, which is around 47 kilometers and it took around 1 to 1.5 hours as we also took a halt for breakfast. So, pehle peet puja, fir sab kaam dooja.
বাবু লিফ ইডলি আছে কি জিজ্ঞেস করো, নাইলে আমার জন্য মশালা দোসা নিন। নো, নর্মাল মশালা দোসা।
So as leaf idli was not there, so we ordered idli, upma, Mangalore bun and some delicious dosa.
কে সবার পেট থেকে নিচে? শিল্পী। কেন শিল্পী? তুমি পাওনি আজকে ব্রেকফাস্টের জন্য কিছু?
मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है
कि भाई सबके पेट से लेना है।
क्योंकि मैं क्यूट छोटी हूँ।
यो मैं इतनी क्या बोलती तुम्हारा सिग्नेचर?
इतनी सुंदर।
क्या करूँ? पेटीएम करो।
भीख मांगिया।
ए कोणाला भीक मांग्या बोलतोय रे?
बगल में जो बैठी है भीख मांगिया।
और ये तुम कौन सा ये नहीं लग रहे हो, तुम भी भीख मांगे ही लग रहे हो।
वो है ना राइट।
नॉन रिलायबल इंडिया।
नॉन रिलायबल इंडिया।
Finally, we reached Sri Krishna Mutt. Let's go inside and check out this place. Sri Krishna Mutt was established in 13th century by Sri Madhavacharya. It is said that idol of Lord Krishna worshipped in Udupi was originally made by Vishwakarma and worshipped by Devaki, who is Krishna's mother in Dwarka. But the idol was lost and eventually got covered in clay. Centuries later, merchant ship from Dwarka carrying that clay idol was sailing across the western coast of India. But during the storm near Malpe, the ship was about to sink. That's where Sri Madhavacharya, meditating on the shore, sensed this and waved him. The grateful sailors saved their lives and offered him a gift from their cargo, and that was a lump of clay. When Madhavacharya received it, he discovered the idol of Balakrishna hidden inside. It is believed that the Lord himself wanted to be worshipped by him.
भोजनालय
This is live footage of Lord Shri Krishna. One of the most unique features of this temple is that Lord Krishna is worshipped through a silver-plated window called the Navagraha Kindi. The reason why, because there was a humble devotee named Kanakadas who was not allowed inside due to his caste, and he used to sing praises of Krishna outside the wall. Moved by his devotion, the idol miraculously turned around to face him. Even today, devotees take darshan through that very window, a powerful reminder that true devotion transcends all barriers. As this was Navratri time, so there were many monks who were around and were felicitated and doing their prayers as well. On the occasion of Navratri, there was a wide display of Devi Swarups which was artistically brought together by kids. Now we are heading towards Malpe Beach. Malpe Beach is located about 6 kilometers west of Udupi on the Arabian Sea coast. It's one of the cleanest and most scenic beaches in South India and serves as a major tourist attraction. This place also offers St. Mary's Island, which is one of the tourist attraction here, but due to weather conditions it was closed, but you can always plan for it. Now we plan to visit the sea walk here, so let's go. This is the sea walk which we'll be visiting soon.
ভাল লাগছে একদম বডি বিল্ডার, কিন্তু পেট এসে গেছে। বাপি তুমিও এরকম মুখ করো ওর মতন।
Malpe Sea Walk is a concrete walkway stretching about 450 to 500 meters into the sea. It allows visitors to walk right into the ocean surrounded by water on both the sides. A truly magical experience. At the far end of the sea walk, you can enjoy a panoramic 360 view as well. With this, we came to the end of this vlog, but leaving you with a delicious Udupi vegetarian food. Also, thank you so much for watching till the end, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Moshmi Roy. Till then, stay healthy, stay hearty till we meet again. Bye.